So I am thinking of doing more video documentary work as man-woman myth. And I'm wondering how I will proceed, because I'm in a medical situation which makes things difficult. One thing I'm thinking is how it is a big contradiction that men are unable to support themselves, that they are very able to support every other kind of activity. So men will work together as teams to solve all kinds of problems. The whole society works because of men's willingness and ability to work in teams. But when it comes to helping themselves, or helping themselves in a way which is not beneficial to women, that seems to not sit well with men. Men are, it seems, simply not comfortable with pursuing any activity which doesn't benefit women, clearly. And men do not see themselves as important. Men see themselves as doers and providers, but men do not care about their own welfare. Men only care about what they can achieve in the world. Men do not care about themselves. And there's a weird contradiction how men seem to care so much about all kinds of activities, but they basically will not care for themselves. So I'm wondering what the reason for this is, and I'm wondering if it comes down to the possibility that if men did care about themselves, then the other activities that men take part in would suffer. Maybe men would not be able to achieve as much in the world as they do if they cared about themselves more. So it is interesting to think about this, but I don't know the situation for men in society today. I need to look into things more now. But where I'm coming from around the 2012 period, men will not see to their own welfare. Men do not regard themselves as important. Only what they do is important. Only the people they help is an important thing to be thinking about. But men themselves do not care about themselves. It's very frustrating and a real mystery how to get men to focus on themselves to some degree. It might well be impossible. And I'm thinking on the reason why nature has made it this way.